Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to find page ID on Facebook. So this is quick and simple, so just follow me. First, open your Facebook app on your web browser. So as you can see, I'm now open. And here, you want to search for a page that you want to see the ID. So I'ma go for LA Lakers here. So basically, you just need to click on this message button here. And I'm gonna type hi to interact. Now, when you are done chatting, go click this name of the page here and click on Messenger. So you will be redirected to the Messenger app. Now, as you can see, here at the top, this is the Lakers page ID. So let me just select them and now copy it. So now, we want to test if this is legit. So open a new tab, then type facebook.com/paste the ID page you copied earlier. So now it's good to go. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.